All right, we got some new stuff for these guys to look at. All right, what do you think?
It's behind the scenes right here.
Oh, shit.
There we go, trucker hat.
We got some Tatro machine trucker hats.
Experimental.
Right.
So what do you think of the sticker on them? That's supposed to be vinyl. No, these are vinyl over here. This is, I don't know what those are. It's some kind of a stick-on sticker thing, but it's not
This
a sticker.
is some heat press.
It's a heat press sticker thing.
Like the black one.
Oh, yeah. Fuck that black one.
Hey, I'm swearing.
Sorry about that, guys.
Dumbass.
This is Tatro Jr. here. We got some new merchandise here for you, ladies and gentlemen, out there. We got the new Tatro Machines edition of the trucker hat.
So they got the foam hat, and they got one that's more like the other hat. Where's my other hats at? These things.
This is my style here.
Damn.
And that, I think,
What are you pulling out of there?
Specializing in Harley Davidson.
I've been waiting on this, man. Tatro's gonna try to keep this. This is supposed to go on the front of my
These are
windshield.
experimental, see if we like them or not.
Yeah.
I'll test that out.
So we can get the hat either with the foam stuff like this, or they got it with the same kind of material this is in the front.
Is that a snapback?
Yeah, but it's not the trucker. You need some breathation.
He doesn't like truckers. I
But
do.
this has the same material as this in the front, but they make a trucker. So which one do you like? This cheap ass one that's going to fall apart, or you want the one that's more made out of better material?
We'll get a better trucker hat one.
Those are good ones.
It's
They're Yopong.
classic.
These are
Yupong.
Yopongis.
That's right.
We're paying big bucks around here for. Oh, look at that.
We got lice though.
Yeah.
I got a big head.
I got a big head too. I have trouble finding it together.
Let's see what it looks like
You
on
both
your
got
head.
big heads. You think you're number one around here. Now, how am I going to sell these now if they're used?
I'll buy this one.
That's right.
This one's sold already. Matter of fact, this is a sampler, so you can't sell it.
Yes, I can.
But since my head was in it first, and I guess I got
You
claims
product
on it.
test without giving them.
I
For
can't even
free.
see. I didn't put Tatro across the back. Should I put Tatro up here in the front when you wear it
Look at that.
backwards?
This one's defective. I'll keep it.
Should I put Tatro in the front there in the back or something in case you wear it backwards?
Heck yeah. Stitched. Gangster
Stitch.
letters.
So,
Tagged up.
now this hat here we're going to still have again. We're just about out because we only got 3 or 4 left. But the they're going to work on my logo. Put that on here, but that's going to be like a $50, $60 hat if they do that.
What the hell?
If they stitch it in like this, embroider it in.
Embroidery's nice. I'm more of a trucker hat type of guy.
That's right.
With these here, he's going to make these about a 1/4 inch bigger. Bigger,
Yeah,
he
that's what I
thinks.
was thinking.
He thinks he can make it a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So work on that.
Bring it up.
So should I get this style hat or should I get the one with the weaving and the more texture to it?
Get both. I like the foam ones. They're light.
What about these
I also
ugly
like
ass
these
white
ones.
black ones, or should we just get all black like yours?
Black is nice. I like the white and black. Make this logo
Does they got
bigger.
that stupid green underneath that
Yeah.
thing?
No.
Nope.
All right, I don't like the
Get
green.
rid of the white background or change the lettering to white, and then
Yeah, I told him I didn't like the white, but the problem is if you get rid of the white, it'll be different. We're thinking about trying to do clear, but the problem is with the clear, the black's going to show up all through the inside. It's going to be so dark, it's going to be hard to see the logo in the black.
brighten it up.
I don't know what to do about that. I told him to make the border about a 2/3 less than what it is because it looks too big.
You
But
should make patches. That'd be cool.
we are going to make patches. That's what I told him.
Well,
I
sew
I told
some
him I like.
patches.
I told him I like the patch better than this, but I don't know. What do you think? You like the thin smoothie, or do you like the one where you put the patch on the damn thing?
Put the patch on. That'd be
Let me
sick.
see my damn hat. Got my sampler.
We need a sampler of the patch.
I need my hat, not on your head, dumbass. So do we like the white or do we like the black? The white shows the piston a lot better, but like I said, he needs to knock the border way smaller.
Yeah.
Cause these have the same problem. Just got the white background on it.
Yeah, that's a sticker. That's cool.
See how it's all? It's just gonna be just like this. It's got a big white all the way around, which I think looks like crap. But he says when you put the clear behind it, it's gonna all show through here, whatever you put it against. So if you put it against a black hat, or a black shirt, it'll be real dark through there. So I don't know. That's a work in progress.
Why don't you make the banner white? Or
But I
black.
hate white. Oh, he does have some black ones in here. There you go.
Oh yeah. Here we go, baby. Yeah, that black's a nice finish.
Straight to stripper.
And the other thing is, do you leave the strip off? I mean, the street strip like that without anything under it, or do you want to have this underneath it?
I think
That'd be cool. No. Yeah, specializing
in Harley Davidson, San Diego, California. You gotta let them know where we're
If you
coming
put
from.
that on the hat, it'd be, I don't know if there's room to put all that on here. You probably have to pick it like,
Just gotta raise it up. Put the pistons in between the split on the hat. You got room to bring this up.
you can't heat press it if it's up too high.
Well, you should do it like somewhere. Just put it in like writing across, you know?
Well, we'd have to make this like one line probably all the way across, or I don't think you can get 2 lines. Well, if you kept a small logo and moved it up, you could probably get 2 lines.
Put a bigger logo for sure.
I like the bigger logo, I think.
Yeah.
So if we lose all the writing on this, we can gain this over here. And this you can't put Tatro on the back side, but these ones you could. You could put Tatro machine across the back here. You know, backwards like dumbasses wear them.
I think he's calling someone out.
I wonder who that is.
Jeez, I don't know who that would be around here. So, but see how much darker the black is? It's just like on the hat, it's hard to see. But I don't like the white border like my hat up there looks like a dumbass would turn around. That ain't it. Where'd my hat go? Hidden my hat from me. See, I just don't like the big fat border, but
Yeah.
I don't know. It's work in progress. So let's get some comments, see what you like. What size stickers do we need to get made?
That's a bit excessive. I mean, that's like a cool window sticker.
Oh, there's more stickers.
Now these are automotive vinyl, so they're high quality, but they're not laminated. Now he said the laminate is going to about double the cost of the sticker almost. So do we laminate these so you can put them on your bike and leave them forever? Or do
I
I
get
have,
free work forever if I tattooed this on my body.
or do we have cheap ones where you put them on your toolbox and whatever, and then you have good ones where you put them on the bike?
I'll put that shit on my bike.
So what size was this? 2 inch, 4 inch, and 6 inch?
Why don't you get the
4 inch?
ones that are like with the double layers where you just, you know, it's put it on backwards and you stick it on where there's no border. You know?
That's the clear ones.
Oh, yeah.
The problem is that it's
Whatever it's on.
this white is clear. So if you get it on
whatever.
black, you wouldn't hardly see the logo. If it was on a tan shirt or yellow shirt, it
No,
would stick out
I mean
nice.
for a sticker, you know? So there's no border on the sticker.
Yeah, but whatever you put it against, you would see through the sticker.
Yeah.
No, not clear. I just mean the board. Like there's
Just the
no
border.
border. Yeah, so like just the piston is the sticker and it goes around here and you know.
Yeah, but when you get to here,
That part's open. See, that part's, you know, the paint or whatever's underneath.
yeah, but if this is behind a dark shirt,
Well, yeah, but
the
if it's
whole
your
logo
yellow
would be real
FXR,
dark.
you'd see it perfect.
If it was on yellow, yes, but if it was on non-yellow, it wouldn't be. So anyway, that's the
So
problem.
this is a
right
4 inch.
here. I don't know. Where's your tape measure?
This looks like 6 inch.
My dick's 4 inches. This is way bigger.
Whoa, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't comment on that bite size
We're gonna comment about
That's
that.
6 inches right there.
4 inches this guy's talking about.
We're going to cut that piece off and go
Yeah,
measure it.
6 inch.
Okay, that's 6 inch paper,
Sticker's 6 inch.
so that's 5.5 inch. So we're gonna call that a 6.
We'll go this way.
So what's this one? Well, this way it probably is 6 inch. Yeah, that one is 6 inch that way.
That one looks like 8 or 10.
8 inches is
That's a 10.
that's 8.
That's how size it should be. That's not quite as big as it's on my bike, but close.
It's pretty
It's
damn
like a-
huge.
Big ass. Oh, sorry. Toolbox sticker.
So what's this one over here? This one's a 3.5. 3. I guess that's a tight 3. This must be a 3 incher. So you got 3, 6, and 10. Is that what they got here? And we got white and black. The black just doesn't work for me,
I think the black's cool.
but I think the white looks like crap when you put it on something because then you see a stupid white, which looks like crap. I don't like the looks of that.
Maybe
Grab
we
me
go
that
with
black
more
shirt
of a
over there.
neutral color.
Yeah, see, this looks fresh.
Grab me that black and that blue shirt over there.
What?
Hey, that's one shirt.
These are huge.
What do you mean they're huge? They're XL.
This is XL.
That's XL. Yeah, what's going on my shirt?
Fresh oil stains on new Tatro.
Now see, if you had a clear background, if you had clear background on the sticker, it would look like these. Here,
See, that's nice.
where the color would come through. But I like it
Do that
better.
on a hat.
See, I think that's better than having that white background. Where's the white one at?
Yeah, see, that looks perfect. That's
See,
noticeable.
I don't like this. I think that's good. I think we need to go to a clear background. I think it's the only way to go. It works pretty good on here. Where's that tan or yellow? Grab something on top.
Orange?
I'll grab that orange one. That's light.
It's a hot color. It's a hot seller.
See, the color hangs through. So I think the stickers should be made the same way. They're just all die cut. And just let whatever color shirt's hanging through. Because it doesn't really look that bad on a black shirt. It doesn't, the logo's not overcome by the blackness. And when you got the blue, even though you still got blue, it's not too bad. So I think we should just do a clear on these things. I don't know. So what's the going price for stickers this week?
$1.
$1? That's only get $1 for that?
That's a $10 sticker right there. All day.
I bet you it cost me $10. I don't even know what this stuff's going to cost yet. They haven't told me that. It's top secret. Oh, anybody want a panda? I've got one for sale. Well, I don't have a sale. Customer does. $10K.
$4,000.
$10K.
Current bid 4,000.
And he wants 10. All right. Now these here are cheap ass hats, so they're not going to be very expensive. So these hats here.
Price isn't it's not about the price.
These are $30 hats. The logo embroidered on there's going to be probably 50 or 60 bucks at least. He hasn't told me how much that's going to be yet. And then these cheap ass trucker hats here with the soft foamy stuff are probably going to be about with a sticker on them.
You gotta avoid this right angle right here. Gives you a cone head, you know. The
Yeah.
soft ones don't. They conform.
No, this is a 5-panel. It's a 6-panel. We're not gonna have 6-panel hats anymore. We're gonna go
Vintage.
5-panel. So these ones are probably be like $20 a piece. These cheap ones.
It's a nice vintage look. It's trucker hat.
But the one that's made like this is another $1 or so more. But I think this will hold up better. But
$1 more.
this is cheaper. Yeah, for the material. Not that hat. I mean, by having this material in the front.
yeah.
No, this hat here cost about $3 more than this hat, at least. But the problem is embroidery is where all the money is.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you put this material on that, then embroider it?
You can.
I burnt one of these on my pipes once. Caught on fire.
That's because it's foam.
Yeah.
See, it's foamy in hats, but
Light quality, good hat.
so I can have a cheap trucker hat with a cheap sticker, or we can have a good trucker hat with a patch on it, and then we can have a real good hat
That'd be cool
with
with a
embroidery on it.
patch. A patch would be sick.
And the patch has a border going all the way around, like an old round shape.
Do a rectangle one.
No,
Tatro. Or I
Would
guess
be-
round would be sick.
I'd probably go with more of an oval shape to it, or squarish round. But I don't know. I'm not. The patches kind of stick up on the edge, even though they're glued on there.
Well, yeah, of
They
course.
still got an edge. You keep picking them to come off.
Why are you picking on a hat?
These ones here, I don't know if these will come. He said these won't come off, and I said, well, if you washed a bunch of times, and he didn't say anything.
Nobody washes hats.
You don't
I
wash
don't think
hats?
this is coming off.
As a leveled out, it's still got the streakiness in it. It's still got the streak in it. It's got a crest mark in it.
Yeah, that's always gonna happen though.
Yeah. So I don't know. Anyway, that's what we're working on. So I gave him my big shirt order to get all the shirts made. So the shirts are going to come in looking like this, not this. So this is obsolete. I'll be discontinuing all of this stuff here.
No more pockets?
These ones are going to be, no, the street to strip Harley Davidson underneath.
Oh.
See, this just has San Diego. This has Specialized in Harley. So these are my new style.
Early model, late model. That's right.
Yeah, this is old, ancient crap. This was made in early December. This was made in late December. That's the difference.
So what we're saying is, viewers, you guys be the critics
That's right.
and give us some ideas on what you think on the new merchandise.
Yeah, it's all crap.
Let us know what you think and what you like.
I don't know, I think these look like crap. I think we need to get the clear ones.
This is just a test run.
So how much can we get for these hats? Collector's items, one-offs, accessory. Or are you stealing it from me?
I'm stealing it.
Oh, jeez. Stealing my 2 hats. I don't have any more samples. How am I going to
Stealing
sample
that
them? How am I going to sample these if I don't have any samples?
I'm sampling it right now.
Oh,
I'm
he's
gonna be
gonna-
advertising
he's
this.
gonna take it
Be
to
at Harley
Harley.
Davidson, San Diego Harley Davidson.
He's going to be at
Hey,
San Diego
what kind
Harley
of hat is
Davidson.
that? Oh, that's Tatro Machine. Street to strip.
That's a piece of crap hat.
Specializing in Harley Davidsons since 1922.
Look how this goes together.
Not me, I'm not 22.
See how that looks? It's a nice setup there.
Except for the white part looked all right.
It's a nice setup there.
There you go.
It's a nice setup.
Orange. No,
Outstanding.
this one looks a lot better.
Loser machine.
No, we don't want that ugly one. Or should I get a bunch of those other ones that are the, what's those ones that are all one piece? Flex fit.
Yeah.
Flex fit, that's what those are. Does anybody give a shit about flex fit? I don't think so. Nobody cares about that.
Because then you're just truly hiding that. You know, I got to show my hairline.
You gotta show, it shows you have hair.
Yeah.
There you go. That's how you do it. All right, there you go. Comments, let me know. Limited edition junk crap. Maybe we'll close this stuff out, try to get rid of it.
Salesman.
Samples, we'll try to sell it, get rid of it cheap.
Buy my junk. It's terrible.
Yeah, buy my junk, it's no good. There you go.